Bridge. There is an oil spill in the emergency valve in the lower deck. Okay, copy.
Right.
There is an oil spill in the lower deck. Emergency valve.
Copy that, Wheeler. Proceed to the master station for further section.
Okay, copy on that.
Attention all crew, attention all crew, attention all crew. This is your captain speaking. This is your captain speaking. We have an oil spill on board. We have oil spill on board. Please proceed to the master station for mastering and further instruction.
Pan. All station. This is LCTSC normal, call sign Delta Uniform Alpha 2165. In position 05 degrees 51 decimal 682 north, 125 degrees 04 decimal 703 S, in vicinity of Balanting Point. We have an oil spill on board. I repeat, we have an oil spill on board. I request an assistance. This is only a drill. This is only a drill. This is only a drill. Once again, this is only a drill.
Count up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is the last number, sir! Bridge element, signal counted for.
Proceed to the oil spill scene and clean the oil spill.
Proceed to the oil scene and ready to clean. Okay, sir! Proceed! Bridge element, we are already in oil spill still. Ready to clean the area.
Copy that, clean the area immediately. Okay.
Okay, copy that. Listen there. Bridge element, area is very clean.
Okay, that's fine. Proceed to the master station for special order.
Okay, proceed to master station.
Kami tatlo.
Bridge element, very in the master station, ready for mastering. Count up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last number, sir! Bridge element, Calvin, counted for.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you for your cooperation. The drill is dismissed. Over and out.
Thank you for your cooperation. The drill is over. Thank you.